Have you heard about the latest Jeep Wrangler 4xe recall? There's a lot to unpack. This video will explain why this is important for you as a Jeep owner or potential buyer. Recently, Jeep issued a recall for 24,238 Wrangler 4xe models. This affects vehicles from 2023 to 2025 that received a software update. This update unintentionally left many owners stranded by disrupting crucial communication within the vehicle. The software, designed for the Uconnect infotainment system, caused a failure between the telematics box module and the hybrid control processor. This resulted in vehicles losing drive power. Here's how this affects you. If you own a 2023 to 2025 Wrangler 4xe, you're advised to stay informed. Jeep aims to roll back the faulty update, restoring previous functionality until a permanent solution arrives. As it stands, Jeep's recall covers all affected vehicles. They've tracked numerous customer reports, indicating the widespread nature of this issue. Fortunately, there have been no known accidents as a result. Jeep plans to notify dealers about the recall on October 23rd. Owners will receive notifications on November 26th. If you're in the market for a new or used Jeep, remember to check if it's part of this recall. Stay updated on other recalls too. To recap, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe recall is extensive and affects many models from recent years. If you own one, make sure you follow up with your dealer for updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more important car updates and news. Stay safe and informed on the road.